Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. So let's start with the leaf. We already discussed about stem and roots, okay, and their modifications also. Now let's move towards the what? Leaves. Guys, you all are familiar with what is leaf. You all are familiar with this. You all know this. This is the stem, root system, lateral side. Leaves are present, branches are present, but leaf always present lateral side of the branch, lateral side of the stem. Why? Because here is a nodes. The future give rise into what? Leaves. Guys, what is the function of leaves? We all know this thing. Photosynthesis. You all are familiar with this term. Photo means light and synthesis means something form. The presence of light, something is formed. What? Food. By what? Leaf. Why? Because leaf have what? They have mesophils. Mesophil have what? They have chloroplast. Chloroplast have what? They have chlorophyll. Clear? Yes guys, clear. The leaf is a lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem. This stem. They are present in the lateral side of what? Lateral side of what? Stem. Originate from where? There is an axillary bud. These axillary bud give rise what? Leaves. They present where? At a node side. Node. And distance between two nodes, what we call? Distance between two nodes, what we call? We call it as a internode. Let's move further. Leaves originate from shoot apical meristem. Sam bhaiya. Sam. Of course, definitely. Leaves originate from shoot apical meristem. This is the question forming area. Who give rise leaves? We know axillary bud, but who? Mainly Sam. Shoot apical meristem. Now, and are arranged in an acropetal order, guys. Acropetal means originate, positive phototropism, upward. If I use this term basopetal, then I would like to arrow this side, basopetal, and this arrow upper side we call it as a acropetal. Very common term, guys. Upside basopetal, base side moves towards the base. What? Root is one of the example of basopetal. And acropetal, leaves, shoot means stem. Okay, they are most important vegetative organ for photosynthesis. I already discussed this thing. Now guys, the typical leaf consists of three main parts. First is leaf base, second is petiole, and third is lamina part. Now one by one, guys, let's discuss about first leaf base. The leaf is attached to the stem by leaf base. They call it as what? This is the stem and this is the leaf, and where they attach it, they call it as a leaf base. What? Leaf base. And may bear two lateral small leaf like structure called as a stipule. Guys, this is the leaf base, and here is two greeny leafy part, we call it as a stipule. In monocotyledon, guys, if someone asks what is stipule, then you have to explain this thing. In monocotyledons, the leaf base expands into a sheet covering the stem partial or woolly. They call it as in monocotyledons. Means easy, guys, monocot. There is not true stipules. True stipules, but their leaf base is little bit expanded. Their leaf base is expanded. In dicot, look at here, there is very flattened, but in what? Monocotyledon, they little bit expands. The leaf base get expands. In some legumes, guys, legumes, some examples like pea, like soya bean, these are legumes plant. Okay, in some legume plant, the leaf base may become swollen, which is called as a pulvinous. Also, they want to say that legumes plant, they also show what? Their leaf base swollen. Okay, and this swollen part we call it as a pulvinous. In which? Legume. In monocotyledon, leaf base is expanded. Okay, the petiole help hold the blade of light, long, thin, flexible petiole, allow leaf blades to flutter in veins, thereby cooling the leaf and bringing air. Guys, they give support. They are stalk like structure. Look at here. I'm erasing this. Look at here, guys. This is long. These are what? Petiole. Long na aerial part. They can motile. They can move according to wind. They give flexibility. To base properly attached with the proper leaf. This is helpful for supporting nature. The lamella. These guys. Lamella part, whole. The lamella or leaf blade is a green expanded part of the leaf with veins. Look at here, veins. There is usually a midpoint. This is the midrib na, main vein, center. We call it as a midrib. Vein provide rigidity of leaf blade and act as a channel transport of water. They're helpful for what? Veins are helpful for what? Transportation. In human, it may be blood. In plants, it may be water and some ions. Next, the shape, margin, apex, surface, and extent of the incision of lamella varies. Guys, this is not fixed with every kind of leaf. Like look here. No, they may be vary according to plant. All right. Let's discuss about venation. Venation means the arrangement of veins in the lamella part. This is the lamella part now. How arranged? How veins are arranged? How veins are arranged? Some are arranged in reticulate manner. They are network. Look at here. They are network. And they further divide. And again they further divide. Again they further divide. These veins again further divide. They divide and further divide. Then divide and further divide. Divide, divide. They make a network-like structure. They make what? They make network-like structure. Next is parallel. Look at here. Look at here. Straight. Parallel. Clear or not? Clear or not? Yes or not? Parallel, guys. Not exactly parallel, but yes, parallel in nature. So these are arrangement of venation. Okay, now guys, the type of leaves. Some leaf are simple and some leaf are compound. Why? What is the category? What is the criteria? How we differentiate compound leaf and a simple leaf? How we differentiate the type of leaf? It may be simple or it may be compound. Guys, compound leaf have many kind of. Simple, guys, simple means there is simple. This is the branch and simply one leaf is originate. That's it. Finish. But compound leaf again further divide into pinnate and palmate. Palm means you all know na. We have also palm. This is the thumb na. This is index. This is middle. This is the ring finger and this is the pinky finger. This is the palm area. So palm arrangement is also present in compound leaf and pinnate is also present in what compound? Look at here. This is an example of pinnate. Look at here. This is the axis. We call it as a rachis. And look at here, guys. In single axis, multiple leaves are originate. Multiple leaves are originate. And look at here. Palmatic arrangement. This arrangement. Palmatic arrangement. Center. Look at here. Palm-like structure. Yes or not? They have central axis. They have central. They have middle axis. They have center axis. Alright or not? Alright or not? Example is pinnate example is neem. And palmate example is silk cotton. Get it? Now here is types of leaves is complete. Wow. There is some phyllotaxis, guys. Yes. There is some phyllotaxis that we know. Okay, guys, we know that yes, this is a stem, this is a leaf, but this is not a normal na. They should be present in a perfect manner. They show their frequency, they show their arrangement, they show their phyllotaxy. The pattern of arrangement of the leaves on the stem or branch. Remember this definition. The pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch. How these leaves are arranged. First is guys alternate. Example is China rose. One is present here leaf, then one is here. One is here, one is here, one is here, one is here, one is here. Zigzag manner. The example is what? China rose. The example is what? This is central axis and they present in a zigzag manner. Zigzag manner. Now, alternate type of phyllotaxy, a single leaf arises at each node in alternate manner. Yes, look at here. Again I'm erasing. Look at here. This is the one node, another node. Look at here. Only one leaf arises from one node. Assume guys this is the stem. Only one leaf arises from particular node. Okay, not both. No, both node not give rise the leaf. Only at one time, one node contain only one leaf. One node contain one leaf. Example is China rose, mustard, and sunflower. These plants leaf show which kind of pattern? They show alternative pattern. Not here. Show alternative pattern. Now next is opposite type. A pair of leaf arise at each node and lie opposite to each other, as the calotropis and guava. Guys, if we watch from the upper view, if we saw at a top view, not here, not bottom, top view, then they look like spiral. Opposite manner, spiral form. One is here, one leaf is showing here and one is here. Not alternative. No, not alternative. If we watch at a top view, then they are present in a roll manner. They look like in a roll manner, roll, because one leaf is here, then another leaf is here. At a particular angle, one leaf is here and another is here. One leaf is here in this direction and another is this direction. Opposite to each other. Opposite angle. Spiral form show. If you watch at a top view. Opposite angle. They make opposite angle from each other. They make a opposite angle to each other. The example is guava and calotropis. Commonly we could call it as an arc. Now, if more than two leaves arise at a node, guys, one node, multiple leaves. One node but multiple leaves. One node, multiple leaves. Whorled pattern. Alstonia is one of the example of this phyllotaxy. Which phyllotaxy? Roid phyllotaxy. Guys, we already discussed that modification of root, modification of shoot. Now let's discuss about modification of leaf. Some leaves change into tendrils and spines, like some are stem change into thorns and trichomes. Some are changed into spines and tendrils. Why? Because according to environment, according to their features, according to their conditions, guys, according to their temperature, according to their condition, according to their environment, their water availability, salt availability, humidity, they change their modification. They can also store food, depend on condition. Tendrils, look at here, these are tendrils. Why tendrils are present? They give support for climbing any kind of tree. They give support, guys, normally for climbing. Example is pea. Next is spines. Some leaves arise. Spines, like cactus, look at here, spines, this is citrus spine. Spines, guys, these are spines. Okay, why they adapt spines? So no one can harm them. And next is they modify their leaves. Why? Because they want to reduce what? Transpiration. Maximum, guys, maximum xerophytic plant. I'm giving you a statement. Maximum xerophytic plant adapt what? Spines, thorns. Why? Reduce predation and reduce transpiration. That's it, guys. That's it. Some leaves can act as a insectivorous. Some leaves are work as insectivorous. They have very, very beautiful arrangement. What? If some insect come at here, okay, now they can sense and they close their cap. Advanced feature. They capture their food. They hunt their food. Feature plant. Feature plant adapt this phenomena. Feature plant adapt this phenomena. If someone is sitting here at this plant and they close there and they engulf this thing, they can eat in this manner. Now, guys, that's all for now. Okay, today we discuss about leaf, their vanishing. Okay, now their phyllotaxy. Now modification of leaves. That's all for now, guys. In our next video, we will discuss about the inflorescence. How flower arrange, which kind of pattern. Okay, guys. Now let's study in this next video. Thank you. That's all for now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Keep smiling and revise. And please subscribe and share. Thank you.